in this video. Should you be buying Bitcoin right now? Well, I am going to discuss that in today's video. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to the Gabs cryptocurrency video, where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's answer the very important question, which is, should you be buying Bitcoin right now? But before that, let's do a quick recap first of our previous analysis. So, diba, sa previous analysis natin, what I've been telling you guys is, we have seen Bitcoin nga, diba, made that crash to the 60K. After that, it made a recovery. And then, as what I've been telling you guys, I don't expect Bitcoin to break, or I don't expect this to form any new dead cat bounce anymore. Rather, what I would expect na ngayon is to see this resistance area forming, which is the 70 to 73,000 US dollars. And take a look at that, guys. We have been starting to see that rejection playing out exactly as predicted. So congratulations. Right now, if hindi kayo nasusunugan currently, that's a good sign, kasi of course we are now preparing ourselves for the next move ng buong crypto market. So with that being said, ano ba yung kailangan natin tingnan na ngayon dito when it comes to buying Bitcoin? So the most crucial thing na ngayon actually dito with the Bitcoin price action is actually the weekly time frame, RSI. And if you're going to look at the RSI right now dito kay Bitcoin, it's actually oversold na ngayon here. As you can see, it's now below the 30 threshold. And usually, below the 30 threshold is a sign of a buying opportunity. And if you're going to look back in time, the only time that we have seen that was actually back in July 2022. And during July 2022, if you're going to look at the chart, Bitcoin also capitulated at the Bitcoin bottom. But as you can see, if you're going to look at the 2022 time, that area did not signify the exact Bitcoin bottom. Rather, it signified the start of a buying opportunity for the whole crypto market. So this means that right now, in the current price action, with the current Bitcoin price action, it's actually a buying opportunity. So it's actually a time to buy na nga ng Bitcoin. But the question right now that everyone is asking is, what price should you be buying Bitcoin? So I am going to look at the charts right now, and I'm going to tell you my strategy na ngayon with the Bitcoin price action, especially na I still have my Bitcoin long-term short position open. So if you're going to look at the Bitcoin price right now in the weekly time frame, you will see na meron tayong malaking wick dito ni Bitcoin. And usually, Bitcoin tend to fill this wick muna after forming a massive pump to the upside. And if you're going to look back na sa previous movement ni Bitcoin nung previous market cycle, you will find na we also saw a wick nga dito ni Bitcoin. Ito, after the Bitcoin capitulation, we saw a massive wick dito kay Bitcoin. As you can see, we actually filled that wick by forming those movements. And as you can see, if you're going to look at the months below, hindi ko lang sure if kita dito, but this was during June and July 2022. And then this time, ito naman, itong area na to is roughly around November to January 2023. So this is telling us na it is going to be a year full of consolidation and a year full of buying opportunity. So if I were you, hindi ako dapat kabahan, or hindi ako dapat like, alam mo yung mag-rush na bumili na ngayon ng Bitcoin, kasi there will be a lot of opportunity. Kasi the fact na yung mga previous market cycle, it took almost 6 months for this buying opportunity to complete. It's telling us na right now, hindi lang to overnight itong buying opportunity. So, wala kayong time para ma-FOMO ngayon. There's actually plenty of time para makapag-ipon at makapagbili ng Bitcoin. There's actually plenty of time to buy Bitcoin. And as you can see, dito sa Bitcoin areas na to, it's more likely na we are going to see $60,000 again. And as you can see, itong 200 moving average in the weekly time frame. Siguro let's open another chart na mas maayos. Let's open the index chart, which is this one. Kasi sa index chart, mas kita mo yung mga historical market cycle. As you can see, sa mga previous movement, Bitcoin always tend to be at the best buying opportunity during the 200 moving average area. And as you can see, the 200 moving average area is roughly playing around the $58,000. So I think right now the best buying spot na you can actually buy Bitcoin is going to be anything below $58,000. So anything below $58,000 is going to be the best buying opportunity for the Bitcoin price action. So with that being said, ito yung gagawin ko ngayon with the Bitcoin price action. So right now, yung long-term short position ko, I am going to start taking profits at number 1, the $66,000. Then lastly, at the $60,000. So the moment na ma-hit natin yon, first take profit area ko ng long-term short position ko is going to be the $66,000. And why is that? Kasi dun tayo previously nagpo-form ng resistance. So right now, that's going to act as a support. So yun yung first target take profit area ko. Then yung final take profit area ko is going to be the $60,000. So ito din, take note guys, the moment na mag-take profit na yung first take profit area ko dito, which is around the $66,000, I am also going to buy Bitcoin na din. So that is my first DCA entry. So what is DCA? DCA is actually a strategy in a way on how you can buy crypto. So if example, meron kang hindi ka sure kung alin dito yung area na babagsak sa Bitcoin, pwede ka yung pera mo, pwede mo siya hatiin into multiple buying orders. So if let's say meron kang 1,000 pesos, i-divide mo yan into 5 buying orders. So tig 200, maglalagay ka ng 200 pesos if umabot si Bitcoin ng 66,000. If bumaba siya ng 60K, maglalagay ka ulit ng another 200 pesos. Then if bumagsak ulit, another 200. Then if let's say hindi na siya bumagsak dito at umakyat na siya patuloy-tuloy, paakyat, then kahit paano, na-buy nyo yung first entry opportunity nyo doon at nakabili kayo sa mga certain price actions. Dito, di bale nang hindi masalo yung mga ibang buy orders nyo dito, ang mahalaga lang dyan is nakabili kayo ng Bitcoin at naka-enter kayo doon sa crypto market. So yun yung mahalaga lang muna dito. It's not about making profits for this whole year. It's not that. It's about finding your biggest entry for the next market cycle. So take note, the mindset that you should be having right now is it's about positioning with the current price action, and it's about entering at positioning ourselves for the next year. If saan pupunta si Bitcoin next year, at least alam na natin na nakaposition na tayo for the long term kay Bitcoin. So ayun nga, 66,000 is my first entry. Next entry is going to be, siguro gawin natin $61,000. So yung take profit ko sa short position ko sa long term is going to be $61,000 para mas safe. And the moment na ma-hit yung 61,000, yun na rin yung magiging another DCA entry ko. Now, the next entry ko is going to be this area, which is around the $55,800. So $55,800 is also going to be another entry. 58,000 is also a good entry. So ito, i-lay down natin sila lahat. So para mas clear siya ngayon. So ayan, $66,000 yung first entry. Next is $61,000. Next is 58,000. Next is 55,000. And then siguro let's go much further pa. Let's go to around $51,000. So yun yung magiging areas natin dito for a buying opportunity dito kay Bitcoin. So another recap, $66,000, $61,000, $58,000, $55,000, and $51,000 yung mga buy orders ko ngayon with Bitcoin. And yung short position ko, i-close ko na siya at the $60,000 area. Hanggang doon na lang siguro yun. Then, kasi yung pera doon, ililipat ko na siya into my long-term buying opportunity. So yeah, I will be buying Bitcoin. Take note, buy Bitcoin, hindi yung long position. Saka ko na pag-uusapan paano yung gagawin ko sa long position. I'll discuss that in the next video kung paano ko gagawin yung long-term long position ko. But right now, it's about buying Bitcoin. So, yun yung pinakang crucial ngayon. And as you can see, the 200 moving average dito ni Bitcoin is actually playing around the 58 to 60,000 US dollars. So anything above 58,000 US dollar is telling us that it's a good buying opportunity, but the best buying opportunity is going to be below 58. But take note, there are no assurance yet na babagsak tayo below 58. So that is why we are going to do DCA strategy or dollar cost average strategy. So right now, should you be buying Bitcoin? The answer is yes, but you have to take note of the price actions ni Bitcoin na kung saan siya pwede pumunta kasi of course the fact na meron tayong wick to 60k means na it's going to tell us na we are going to go back also to 60k. So for sure, we will still have yung mga minor pump and dump dyan ni Bitcoin, and that's not a surprising thing or that's not a bad thing kasi usually mga ganong movement is actually fueling up Bitcoin for another movement to the downside, or in other scenarios that could also form a bullish divergence nga wherein if let's say nagkakaroon tayo ng movement dyan and then bumabagsak siya lalo, at the same time the RSI is increasing, then those are traditional signs of a bullish divergence, and those bullish divergence are a bullish trend reversal to the upside, indicating the next long-term bull market cycle of Bitcoin. Similar with what we have seen nga dun sa mga previous movement ng Bitcoin. I know, nagkakaroon siya ng minor pump and dump dito in the weekly time frame. So ayun, magkakaroon ng pump and dump. But as you can see, if you're going to look at the chart, it formed a bullish divergence nga dito. So that has signified na we are now going to see a bullish reversal for the long term, and we are now going to enter into a long-term bull market. So, ayun yung pinakang crucial ngayon dito with the Bitcoin price action is right now we have to continue that downtrend nga. We don't mind if magkaroon ng pump and dump. Ang mahalaga is mag-form ng bullish divergence or bullish indicators. And right now, that is what we are going to do with the Bitcoin price action. And take note guys, I am going to buy Bitcoin kay Bybit, pati kay Femex, pati kay Mexi. So make sure if you don't have an account with those platforms, make sure to use my sign up link and start creating an account. Right now, si Bybit is hindi pa accessible. So my suggestion is you use either Mexi, Femex, or Wix. Yung Wix din okay din siya for the short term. But yun nga, for the long term, dun ako nag-trade kay Bybit, pati kay Femex, pati kay Wix. Sorry, Bybit, Femex, pati kay Mexi. So ayan, all of those sign up links are available guys in the description down below. And take note, since mahaba-haba itong period na tong buying opportunity, make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist if you want to learn the analysis that I've been using here. And I'm also hoping to reboot that series nga na mas updated na. Kasi of course, that series has been going na for roughly 6 years na. So, I think it's time also na i-reboot na yan at gawa na ng panibago at updated na version na yun. So, yeah, I'll also be doing that. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.